National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Overton County in Middle Tennessee, Jackson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles southwest of Gainesboro, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Gainesboro around 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Granville and Cummins Falls State Park. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.